The next question is very simple. Region. Kursk region. The operation there. Was Putin in Kursk during 4 months? No.
Listen, I have tremendous respect for you, admiration for many reasons, one of which is you stayed in Kyiv, and another one is that you visit the front and you talk to the soldiers in the front and you talk to people all across Ukraine. Absolutely tremendous respect for that. So,
Thanks.
And not enough people say that, I had a conversation with Tucker Carlson, for example, and I said that you're a hero for staying in Kyiv. And he said, well, he just did a thing that every leader should do. But I think not enough leaders do the thing that every leader should do. So tremendous respect. And I agree with you totally. Yes, a leader should go to the front.